We're going to begin today's video with a fun little game. I'm going to flash what's inside my wallet in a fraction of a second, and you can tell me how many cards you were able to identify down below in the comments. So, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Now, while I do the intro to this video, you can write your comment down below and identify the number of cards that you were able to see already. And then, of course, after the intro, we'll do a full deep dive into the wallet and explain which cards I have and why I have them. And if that sounds fair enough, let's begin. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic app to manage all of your credit cards and rewards in one place. It also allows you to track your purchases across all cards and helps you identify which card to use to earn the most rewards. And if you sign up for MAXREWARDS Gold, it automatically activates your card-linked offers, quarterly spend categories, and a whole lot more. You can get your first month free by using the link in the description. So I recently realized that the last time I did a wallet exposure video was back in Q1 of 2021, so at least 6 months ago. And the main reason for that is because I really haven't changed my wallet in over 6 months. It's because I've been getting some new American Express cards, and those welcome bonuses had very high spend requirements. So it took me a long time to get through those before I was able to say, hey, I got the bonus. Now let's filter in some cards that I want to use on a day-to-day basis. So now that I have switched out my wallet to some more everyday use cards with a lot of the other welcome bonuses taken care of, now we can go ahead and dive deep into my wallet and show you what I'm up to. Let's begin with card number 1, which is the American Express Platinum card for Schwab. And I believe this is still the old version of the card design. The new one has a little bit of a refreshed front with the border being thinner. The word platinum has been removed, and also there is now contactless technology built into the card. So you might see like 4 little bands like representing like a Wi-Fi type of looking logo, and that means you can now tap the card to pay at a terminal. And it's also heavier than the contactless one because it's metal on both sides. So I'm keeping this one as long as possible. Anyway, the welcome bonus on the Schwab Platinum card as of November 2021 is 100,000 membership rewards points after you spend $6,000 on new purchases in the first 6 months. You will also get the ability to earn 10 points per dollar at restaurants worldwide and US Shop Small locations, up to $25,000 in combined purchases in those two categories, that is, in the first 6 months. The ongoing rewards of this card are to earn 5 points per dollar on flights on up to $500,000 of spend per calendar year. You'll earn those 5x points when you book the flights directly with the airline websites or via Amex's Travel Portal, which is amextravel.com. You'll then earn 5 points per dollar on prepaid hotels only via the Amex Travel Portal, and then 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. The current annual fee of the card is $695. And the reason why it's in my wallet right now is due to lounge access for an upcoming trip. And that is the trip I'm on right now. So welcome to the Hyatt-centric downtown Nashville. I flew actually in through Denver, had a layover there, and then came into BNA, or Nashville's main airport. So while I was in Denver, they do have a Centurion Lounge there. Had a really, really nice meal. They also had a fun billiards/game lounge, which was pretty fun as well. So it was a great way to have about an hour or so layover, get some good food, refresh, relax, and use my Platinum card to get in. Next up, the American Express Gold card. The current welcome offer on the card is 75,000 membership rewards points after you spend $4,000 on new purchases in the first 6 months. You'll then earn 4 points per dollar on restaurants worldwide, 4x on groceries at US supermarkets, and triple on flights when booked directly with the airlines or via Amex's Travel Portal. Then finally, 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. The annual fee on the card is $250, and the reason why it's in my wallet right now is due to dining and grocery purchases. The fact that this card earns 4 points per dollar on dining worldwide, at least wherever American Express is accepted, makes it a great card to have, especially if you value earning travel points. And then while at home, I do shop at traditional US supermarkets, that is the likes of Ralph's, Albertsons, Pavilions. What else is there out there? Tom Thumb. It varies, of course, based on where you live throughout the United States. but the traditional mega chain supermarkets, also including Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, etc., all of those are eligible to earn 4 points per dollar on the gold card. The other types of places like a Target or a Walmart, Costco, none of these superstores and none of the warehouses will earn 4X on this card. So make sure that you are at a true, normal, regular supermarket in order to earn those points. But of course, if you do your grocery shopping at a department store, a superstore, or a warehouse, then you'll definitely want to consider a different card. Card number 3, which has numbers on the front of the card still, old school design. So I'm going to hold it carefully in my wallet here, but it is the Chase Freedom Flex card. The welcome bonus at the moment is to earn $200 of cash back after spending $500 on purchases in the first 3 months. Plus, you'll get 5% on gas stations on up to $6,000 spent in the first year, plus a third part to the offer, which is a 0% introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months, then a variable APR to follow. For the rewards, you'll earn 5% in quarterly categories that do rotate every 3 months, and you must activate or enroll them every single quarter to earn that 5%. It is valid on up to $1,500 spent in combined categories for each quarter, so make sure you enroll every quarter because otherwise you'll just earn 1%. Then you'll earn 5% on travel via the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, 3% on dining, including takeout and eligible delivery services, 3% at drugstores, and 1% on other purchases. The annual fee on this card is $0. And the reason why it's in my wallet currently is for the 5% PayPal category, which is part of the rotating quarterly categories right now. So no, I really don't need to carry it physically in my wallet right now because all you gotta do is associate your card with the PayPal account. And then when it's on file, you simply go check out online, buy your goods and services, and then it'll simply charge to your card if you make it as your primary or default card on your PayPal account. So I just put it in here, of course, to show it to you on the video, but I'm definitely getting some great value by using PayPal on tons of websites for online shopping right now, which is awesome. All right, so we've completed the entire right side of the wallet. Now on to the left. And it begins with the Capital One Venture Rewards credit card. The welcome bonus right now is to earn 60,000 bonus miles after spending $3,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. Then for the rewards, you'll earn 5 miles per dollar on hotels via the Capital One Travel Portal and 5 miles per dollar on rental cars, also booked through the same portal. Finally, 2 miles per dollar on all other purchases. The annual fee on the card is $95, and the reason why it's in my wallet is to redeem miles against an upcoming hotel purchase. And no surprise here, it's this hotel right now. So this is a Category 5 Hyatt property. So it's normally 20,000 World of Hyatt points per night on standard award availability. So my first night, I had enough points in my Hyatt account to redeem my 20,000 points, so that was taken care of. Then I did a separate booking because I did not have 40,000 Hyatt points at the moment. I then put the second night on my Venture card. So when that posts to my account, it should be around $400 something for the night. I'll then redeem my Venture miles against that charge to pretty much cut my nightly rate for the hotel in half. And paying roughly $200 for a $400 night is a darn good deal. That's one of the reasons why I love credit cards so much. Okay, moving on to card number 5 out of 6 total. It is the American Express Business Gold Card. As I record this video, the welcome bonus is currently 70,000 membership rewards points after spending 10 grand on purchases in the first 3 months. Then the ongoing rewards categories here are actually pretty darn cool. You'll earn 4 points per dollar in your top 2 spend categories each billing cycle. This is valid on up to $150,000 of spend per calendar year, and the list of categories that can work for your top 2 spend are 6 in total. I didn't have quite enough room here to put them all in the slide without making the font super small, but they are airfare purchased directly from airlines, and then US purchases on online, TV, and radio advertising, computer hardware, software, and cloud systems from select technology providers, gas stations, restaurants, including takeout and delivery, and shipping. Then outside of those top 2 spend categories, you'll also earn 1 point per dollar on other purchases. The annual fee on the card is $295, and the reason why it's in my wallet right now is I'm spending towards the welcome bonus. So I received a targeted offer on this card for 90,000 points with the same spend requirement of 10K in 3 months, and so I'm about 2/3 of the way through with that right now, and until it's fully done, this card's gotta stay in my wallet. And last but not least, another card with numbers on the front, so it is the WYNDHAM Rewards Earner Business Credit Card, which I just got. The welcome offer on this card right now is 45,000 points after spending $1,000 on purchases in the first 90 days, and the rewards are as follows: 8 points per dollar at WYNDHAM hotels, 8 points per dollar at gas stations, and then 5 points per dollar on eligible marketing, advertising, and utilities purchases. then 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. The card has an annual fee of $95, and why it's on my wallet is simply because I'm also working toward the welcome bonus on this card as well. And for this card, it was also another 90,000 points. It was not targeted, it was simply a public offer that was available for a limited time, but it was to earn 60,000 points after spending 1K in 3 months, and then another 30,000 points after spending a total of $2,000 in 6 months. So it was about $334 a month. So it's quite an easy requirement to meet. I'm not yet done with it, so until I am, it's still staying in the wallet. But to get over $900 of value toward hotel stays was definitely a huge thumbs up from me. And there you have it. There are all 6 cards that I currently have in my wallet right now, all for different purposes. A couple of them for the welcome offer spend requirements, and a few others that are great for ongoing spend, especially with the restaurants and grocery spend on the Amex Gold Card, plus that Freedom Flex at 5% on PayPal. That covers a lot of online retailers right now, so definitely keep that card in mind, especially for the upcoming holiday spend in November, December, January. Or rather just November, December, because of course January begins a new quarter, which means new categories. But if you're still shopping for New Year's gifts, buy them in December or earlier. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit or entertain other people, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic app to manage all of your credit cards and rewards in one place. It also allows you to track your purchases across all cards and helps you identify which card to use to earn the most rewards. And if you sign up for MAXREWARDS Gold, it automatically activates your card-linked offers, quarterly spend categories, and a whole lot more. You can get your first month free by using the link in the description. And definitely let me know what is inside your wallet right now for Q4 of 2021. If you've got like 15 cards and a super fat wallet and you don't want to list them all, that's okay. At least tell me your top 1, 2, or 3 cards that you're getting the most value from at the moment and what features or rewards you like the best. I thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.